This is Ravina Sivakumar. Come, let us solve an important 5-mark question for board exam from real numbers. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. So we must prove root 5 is irrational. For that, let us assume root 5 is a rational number. We know that rational numbers always exist in P by Q form where Q is not equal to 0. So root 5 is equal to A by B where B is not equal to 0 and A comma B are co-prime as they have one as common factor. So we must multiply this B with root 5. So we'll get root 5B is equal to A. Let us assume this as the equation 1. Now we must square on both sides. Root 5B the whole square and A whole square. So we'll get 5B square and A square. So now we must divide this 5 with A square. So B square is equal to A square by 5. If 5 divides A square, then 5 also divides A. Let's assume this as equation 2. Now C is equal to A by 5 where C is a constant. So now we must multiply 5 with C. 5C is equal to A. By equation 1, 5C is equal to root 5B. Now we must square on both sides. (5C) the whole square and root 5B the whole square. So we'll get 25C square is equal to 5B square. Now we must divide this 25 by 5B square. So C square is equal to 5B square by 25. 1 5s are 5 5s are. So C square is equal to B square by 5. If 5 divides B square, then 5 also divides B. Let's assume this as equation 3. Now, according to equation 2 and 3, and 3, 5 is the common factor. Common factor of A comma B. This contradicts the fact that one is common factor of A comma B. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. So, root 5 is irrational number. So let us consider this Now, root 5 is an irrational number. So let us consider this as equation 4. Now we must prove, this is proved now. Root 5 is irrational, is proved. Now we must prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Now let us assume 3 plus root 5, 2 root 5 as rational. So rational numbers always exist in P by Q form where Q is not equal to 0. 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q where Q is not equal to 0. Now we must multiply this Q with 3 plus 2 root 5. Actually we must bring this 3 right side. So 2 root 5 is equal to P by Q minus 3. So we must multiply this Q with 3. So 2 root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q by Q. So we must multiply this 2 with Q. So root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q by 2Q. LHS is not equal to RHS as LHS is irrational. We proved in equation 4 and RHS is rational as it exists in P by Q form where Q is not equal to 0. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Hence proved. Encourage and follow us for more videos. Thank you.